If you're looking for a recipe that combines elegance, rich flavor, and an incredibly creamy texture, today you'll learn how to make a classic cod with cream gratin. Start by soaking the cod if you are using the salted variety. To do this, keep the cod submerged in a bowl of water in the refrigerator for 24 to 48 hours, changing the water at least 3 times during that period. This process is essential for removing excess salt. Fill a large pot with plenty of water and add 2 lightly crushed garlic cloves and 2 bay leaves. Next, add the 600 grams of salted cod. Place over high heat until the water comes to a boil.
Turn off the heat.
Now, let the cod rest in the hot water for approximately 15 minutes. This method is excellent because it cooks the fish gently, preserving its texture and preventing it from drying out. After this time, remove the cod from the water and let it cool naturally. Once it is cool enough to handle, carefully flake the fish into medium-sized pieces, removing any remaining bones or skin. Set the flaked cod aside, as it will be the star of our recipe. And if you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and help us grow. Thank you. Now, let's prepare the potatoes, which play a key role in the dish's texture. Peel 1.2 kilograms of potatoes and cut them into uniform cubes. Keeping the pieces a similar size is important to ensure even cooking. As you cut them, place the cubes in a bowl of water to prevent them from turning dark. Once they are all prepped, drain the potatoes well until they are dry. For this recipe, we want potatoes that are tender on the inside and only lightly golden on the outside. You can use an air fryer by adding 1 or 2 spoonfuls of olive oil to the potatoes and mixing well before cooking. If you prefer, you can also fry them in hot oil. The most important thing is not to let the potatoes brown too much. They should retain a pale yellow color, as they will finish cooking in the oven along with the sauce. Once ready, transfer them to paper towels just to remove excess oil and set aside. While the potatoes rest, let's prepare the onions. Take 2 medium onions and slice them thinly. The thinner the slices, the better they will blend with the cod and the sauce, creating a very pleasant texture. Now, place a large skillet over medium heat and add half a cup of olive oil. When the oil is hot, add all the sliced onions. Stir gently and cover the skillet for a few minutes. The goal here isn't to brown the onions, but to let them soften slowly and release their natural sweetness. Once they are tender and translucent, add all the flaked cod. Mix carefully so the fish absorbs the aromas of the onion and olive oil. Continue stirring for a few minutes to blend the flavors. Next, add the pre-fried potatoes. Stir gently so you don't break the cubes. At this point, you can start to see the wonderful base taking shape. The aroma of the cod mingles with the olive oil, onion, and potatoes, creating an irresistible combination. When everything is well distributed, turn off the heat and set the mixture aside. Remember that the full list of ingredients is available in the video description. Now, let's start preparing the enriched Béchamel sauce. In a separate bowl, combine the juice of 1 lemon and an egg yolk. Whisk quickly until the mixture is smooth. The result will be an extremely rich, balanced sauce with a slight touch of freshness from the lemon. Set aside. Let's continue preparing our Béchamel sauce, which provides all the creaminess for the cod with cream. Add 100 grams of butter to a large saucepan and place it over medium heat. Let the butter melt completely without letting it brown. Once it is fully liquid, Add 100 grams of wheat flour. Mix immediately using a whisk. Keep stirring constantly until a smooth, uniform paste forms. This mixture is known as a roux and will provide the sauce's structure. Cook for about 2 minutes to eliminate the raw flour taste. Then, begin adding the milk, stirring constantly to prevent lumps from forming. As the milk is incorporated, the sauce begins to take on an increasingly creamy texture. Continue stirring until you achieve a smooth, silky consistency. Now season with grated nutmeg to taste. Nutmeg is a classic ingredient in Béchamel sauce, adding depth of flavor without being overpowering. Continue seasoning with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Add a small amount of your preferred mustard, along with a mixture of lemon juice and egg yolk, to the sauce. Continue cooking over low heat for approximately 10 minutes, stirring regularly to ensure a perfectly smooth texture. When the sauce begins to bubble gently and reaches a creamy consistency, turn off the heat. At this point, add 200 milliliters of fresh heavy cream and mix vigorously until everything is fully incorporated. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning if necessary. Now it is time for assembly, a step that makes all the difference in the final result. Take a large oven-safe dish and spread the mixture of cod, onions, and potatoes across the bottom. Spread it carefully to create an even layer. An important detail of this recipe is that we do not mix the sauce directly into the cod mixture. Instead, pour the entire Béchamel sauce over the top. Use a spatula to spread and level it out, ensuring the sauce completely covers the mixture. This method creates distinct layers that result in a much more interesting texture after baking. After spreading the sauce, cover the entire surface with 200 grams of grated mozzarella cheese. Distribute it evenly to ensure a perfect gratin finish. Now, let the dish rest for about 10 minutes before placing it in the oven. This brief rest allows the sauce to seep slightly into the lower layers, contributing to an even creamier result. With the oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, place the baking dish on the middle rack and bake for approximately 15 minutes. Then, use the broiler to brown the top for another 5 minutes. Around the edges as the flavors meld perfectly. Once the surface is golden and nicely browned, remove the dish from the oven. The aroma filling the kitchen at this moment is simply spectacular. Let it rest for a few minutes before serving. This brief pause helps the sauce set and makes serving easier. As you scoop out the first portion, you'll see the creamy layers of sauce enveloping the potatoes and tender cod. Every bite delivers a perfect combination: the smoothness of the cream, the intensity of the cod, the delicate flavor of the onions, and the golden, cheesy crust. The result is a sophisticated, incredibly flavorful dish, perfect for special occasions or for turning any meal into an unforgettable moment. If you enjoyed this recipe, try making it at home and discover why cod with cream is one of the most beloved dishes in Portuguese cuisine. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and share it with friends who love a great recipe. Feel free to leave questions and recipe requests in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a delicious, easy-to-make recipe. Thanks for being part of our channel.